Day one on the RobbMedia custom kit. Feeling fresh, feeling good. Big shout out to Pedal Mafia custom department. Yes, they got me right. I'm feeling it. All right, y'all, let's open up this package. Oh man, I am very excited to see what this looks like. It took about 6 weeks for this to be completed. I went with two different jersey types. I went with the core, and then I went with the pro. Well, actually, this is the pro right here, pro jersey, and this is the core. Now, I went with the core because this is what I know. I bought a couple jerseys last year from Pedal Mafia, the Miami Blazers joint, and I was really impressed with how the core jersey felt. Now, the guy told me that the pro feels like the core, but maybe a little bit tighter, a little bit better. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, so I got a pro one anyway, right? All of these are a size medium because that's my fit. I did get one size large because I'm going to send that to my dad so he can rock a RobbMedia kit.
If you are liking the content, subscribe to the channel.
Yes, I like the colors. It looks really good. What are y'all thinking, bro? And I'm going to give you a walkthrough of why I chose everything and how I got it laid out. But this is the front. It looks really good. The white has like a little bit of shimmer on it. The sleeves, oh man, it looks good. Check me out, right? Be the brand. Got the little YouTube on there. Like I said, some people that I roll with. I got my RobbMedia solutions. This is nice, bro. Let's look at the back. We got the pockets. The colors came out really good. I was wondering like how the colors would look, but man, they look good and the font looks good. Oh my goodness, I am happy with this. Check me out, bro. Tell me that's not dope. Tell me that's not dope, man. You got to subscribe, man. If you were liking the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your boy got his kit. Woo. That's fire. So this, like I said, this is the core. And I am feeling the core. Now, I really want to see what this pro looks like. How much of a difference is the pro versus the core? Oh, okay. I see what they're saying. Ooh, I see what they're saying. Ooh, this is dope too. So, to me, this will be a more tight fitting. I can definitely tell that by the material. I'm going to show you a side by side. Matter of fact, I'm going to kind of fold this in half so you can see this side. And then I'm going to fold this one in half so you can see the other side. And maybe you can see a side by side of what I'm talking about with the fabric. But both fabrics are nice, but the pro it's nice too. The core seems more open. It kind of just looks more breathable initially, but this one is just, it's a different type of fabric, bro. And then the sleeves, I do like the sleeves a lot better. It got like a kind of honeycomb pattern to them. That's dope. This is like more of a mesh. I don't know. It's just a different type of feel. Let me kind of stretch this a little bit. All right. Yeah. Ooh, I think I like the pro better, man. Now, also on the pro, the red is popping on the pro. Really good. Now, one of the things that I don't know, I don't think this will bleed when I wash it, but I'm gonna wash it. I usually use Woolite when I wash my jerseys, wash it in cold, hang dry, of course. But the red, bro, the red is popping. You see how much more vibrant the red is? I like it. I like it. Now, also with the Pro, to me, the Pro seems like it would stain a little bit easier because this is almost reminds me of like a it kind of reminds me of like a white canvas type of material. If you were a sneaker guy and you ever had anything that had like an icy sole or some type of white canvas, dude, once that stuff gets dirty, that's pretty much a wrap. So I'm interested to see how it holds up. Oh, I didn't even notice that. So also on the core joint, I got the little zipper pocket. Same thing on the Pro. It's got the little zipper pocket. But that's dope, bro. This is dope, man. Oh my goodness, this is dope. This is dope. It looks really, really good. Now I do have Pedal Mafia bibs as well. I didn't get anything custom, but I'll show you the bibs that I've been rocking with the Pedal Mafia.
A few moments later.
So here are the bibs that I'm wearing. And I want to say these are the cargo core joints, right? And I like them because they got the little pockets on the side, so you can stuff some stuff in there. The straps are very, very nice on here. Very, very nice. Very stretchy. They feel really good. It's got an extra pocket on the back of the straps. Breathes very well. Now, I'm 5'6", 175 pounds. Dude, I am rocking the extra small bib. And I had to size down a couple times, but the extra small is working for me. The grippers are on point. They never slip. The bibs I was wearing before these was the Castelli. And the Castellis were pretty straight for me, but sometimes the gripper slipped just a little bit. In the Castelli bib I was wearing, I forget the specific one it is, but they only made it in a small, and I kind of felt like if I had an extra small, it probably would have been that much better. Now, this is the chamois on there, and this is great, bro. I'm really happy with these cargo bibs. Now, a couple years ago, I was wearing Rafa for a minute, and it was like Rafa was working for me, and then like one day it just wasn't working for me. But one of the things I always missed about the Rafas was having that cargo pocket, and I've been trying to find a bib for a decent price that had the cargo pockets too. And I want to say these bibs run about like 150 or so, so the price isn't bad at all, and they perform, bro. But that is how I'm going to be rocking this. I'm gonna have the Pedal Mafia. I'll be riding either the Pro jersey, or my core jersey. And then, yo, there's this brand. You ever heard of Mint? Mint makes these socks. Let me get them, bro, because I just bought these socks from this company called Mint, and they are pretty dope. I am liking them. So I was at my local bike shop, and they had these socks on sale, 50% off, $22. So they was $11, bro. This is what they look like. They feel really good. I like the design on them, and then the stripe. It has two stripes that run down the back of the leg. Very, very clean, bro. And you got the little M on there, so your boy gonna be fly this summer on the bike. But I'm really liking the kit, bro. Like the Pro is nice, and the core is nice. Which one I like better? Oh, I don't know. They're both dope, man. They're both dope. That's another thing I noticed too. If you look at the core, the way the zipper is, it folds down and it kind of locks. But on the Pro, not only does it fold down the lock, but it's got like a cover that kind of hides the zipper. That's dope. That's dope. These are some good looking jerseys, bro. These are some good looking jerseys. Oh man, these are some good looking jerseys. Oh man, yeah.